Hi, this is your number of the day. Let's see how you can do it. First of all, you always need to write the number of the day here. I'm going to use an example, number 14. And then you're going to replace all of these zeros with that number 14 so that you know that number of the day is 14 and that's what you're working on. So now we've done on the dotted lines number 14. Our next thing is to drag the shaded boxes over the place value blocks. Okay, so I'm going to put 1 for my tens, and then I need 1, 2, 3, and 4 to make 14. So now 1, 10. Okay, I'm going to put 1, and I have 4 ones. Then I need to go show the number 14 using tally marks in the box below. Okay, one set of tally marks. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 goes the line. So I know that 5 plus 5 is 10. And then I need to bring my ones, and I know that I need 4 of them. And there is 14 in tally marks. You can pause this video now, go and do page 1, or continue watching. Hi, this is your page 2 on today's number. So I had number 14, and I'm going to do the dotted lines first. So here I should go and change that. Let me see. Just the size. Okay, there we go. $14. And 14. Okay, drag the shaded boxes over the tens frame. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the 5 is the top, and then 5, so that's 10. So I need to bring 1, and then I need to bring in 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's 14. Okay, drag the star to a correct place. So that's 0. So those are to the 10. And that would be halfway. That would be 15. So I'm just a little lower. There we go. 14. You can pause the video, go do your second page, or continue watching to page 3. So page 3. Here we go. We got 14. We're going to say, is the number 14 an odd number or even number? Because we have number 14, we have to start moving our blocks down here. And what we're going to do, we're going to see if we can build our number 14. Is it going to have even numbered or odd number across on each side? So here I am filling in. So that's 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, so we're good. We got 5 and 5. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6. That makes 12. 7 plus 7 equals 14. We have even number on both sides. So that makes, I know that I have just made it. The number 14 is an even number. I also know that number 14 is an even number because the digit on the ones place is 4. It's even. That's how I know if the last one is even. Okay. You can pause the video now or move on to page 4. Today's number, we're going to be writing numbers in different forms. Okay, so what we're going to do here is that we're going to put 14 in and in multiple ways and make sure we can squeeze it in. How many tens? We have 1 10. And how many ones? We have 4 ones. Okay. Standard form. Standard form is written in digits, so we can do that. We know how to do standard form writing. That goes in there. Expanded form. This one gives us 10 plus 4. We have tens and we got 4. So that is, and then we got a word form. And there we see 14. Okay, 14. Ooh. Let me 14. There we go. Draw a box around the tens place. Okay, we got a box around the 10. And value, there is 110. What about our circle around the ones? And how many ones do we have? We got 4. That means we got 14. You can pause your video now, or you can move on to next page. Here we have a 100 chart. What we're going to do is that we're going to drag the circle around the number of the day, and it is still 14. It is still 14. Let's move our circle around 14. Down here, you're going to write the number of the day here in 14. What is 10 less? What would be 10 more? What would be 1 more? What would be 1 less? How do you add? What do you need to add to 14 to get 100? What would you need to take away from 100? If you take away 14 from 100, what do you get? On page here, you start with today's number. Count forward until you reach the number that has a 5. So here we put 15. And then we start with the number on the circle and skip count by 5. So this would be 20, 25, and so forth. Skip count by 10. Start with today's number. Count forward by until you reach a number that has a 0 in the ones place. So we're at 14. We go all the way to 20. And then after 20 comes 30. Then comes 40. 50, 60, and so forth. Continue until you reach the end. You can pause the video now, or you can move on to the next page. Today's time. Here, use the drawing tool. Instead of dragging the arrows, the drawing tool is easier. Okay, let's say that the time is 9 o'clock. And I will then make sure I have 9:00. 1 hour ago, the time was then 8 o'clock. And in 1 hour, it's going to be 10 o'clock. I can use the drawing tool to finish up. Make sure that my hour hand is pointing to 8 and my minute is going up to the 12. In 1 hour, it will be 10 and up. It was 9 o'clock, so I had 0 minutes left before the next hour. It's going to be 1/4 and I will write down what is an activity that I'm doing here at AM before noon and what activities am I doing in the afternoon. Once you have reached this page, you are officially done. And have a great day.